Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to enable night mode, eye comfort mode, or simply how to enable blue light filter. So first of all, let's begin with some customization. So let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's tap on the display, it's right here, and as you can see on the second position we've got night light, so let's enter it. And in order to turn it on right now, just tap on this big button right here. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, we can adjust the intensity of that feature. It's really up to you how you want to set it. Let me leave it like this, for example, and we can schedule it. Let's tap here. Now it is not active, but we can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start time and end time, or turn it from sunset to sunrise, so it will be automatically set. Let me pick, for example, custom time, and as you can see, we can tap on it, and on this clock choose the start time and end time. But let me turn off this option. Let's get back, and actually this is the whole customization of this feature. In order to have much faster access to it, just unroll the top bar and let's find the night light option, which is right here. Now it is obviously active. In order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to enable night light in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.